Today we're going to replace a throttle body on a 2019 Toyota Rav4. Okay, so we're going to start. We're going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Well, we're going to disconnect it, not remove it. If you want, you can just take this whole thing off together at once. But this is how I'm doing it. It's easier for me. So next I'm going to remove this clamp holding this boot onto the throttle body. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 bolts holding the throttle body onto the intake, and we have a hose and we have a connector. So we'll disconnect the connector. So now that we can move the throttle body out the way, now I could loosen up this one line that it has. I think it's a coolant hose. See this one right here? Before it was so uncomfortable to get to it, but now I can get to it. So I'm gonna do that now. Too late now, I'm almost done now. Yeah. Sirski.
On that, just remember that.
Okay. Wait, 14? Yeah, 80%. Okay. See? Barely, it wasn't too much coolant coming out anyways. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the throttle body. So it did not come with a new gasket. So I'm going to reuse the old gasket.
some OT, OT. I'm about to get ready to film. Yeah, I told you it was a crack like that. What? Oh, that's right. What is it? It's crack lighter. It's crack lighter? Yeah. What's the crack lighter?
Just like that.
Yeah, look how easy this shit is. Right there.
What?
You ain't gotta move nothing.
What?
Just take off the cover.
Oh, the valve cover there.